Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I want to keep my dishes sparkly clean, but I want to do that without any added chemicals or artificial fragrances. So, seventh generation dishwasher detergent is my go to.
Seventh generation is my go-to for house cleaning products, and their dishwasher detergent gel is no different. This one comes in a lemon scent, which I find to be really pleasant and refreshing. I don't do great with heavy fragrances, so I appreciate that it is light. It comes in this really convenient container with a convenient handle, and also the top that just pops open, and then you have that little pour that you can put right into your dishwasher. So it's really easy to use. I just fill it up depending on how dirty my dishes are. I might use a little more or a little less, and it always gets them sparkly clean every time.
You're looking for a great, hardworking dishwasher detergent that's going to keep things simple. I highly recommend checking out this one by seventh generation. I think that you'll be really happy with it too, but that's just my point of view.